the monkeys. Unfortunately, they are here. Nice. Now you can see them. They're naughty. They're very naughty, but I love them. Look, they're busy in the trees, jumping and playing and all that. They're looking for food in the trees and everything. Yeah. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, they are naughty. The others are everywhere, all over. They are in the trees there. Can you see? The leaves are moving. Look how they jump from one branch to another. Oh my word, sometimes they are funny. Very, very funny. Look there. Oh, shame. Yo. Oh my goodness. They are funny, funny. Very funny. Look at those, they are small babies. Ag,